We have the rule for divisibility by 2. Now we shall discuss divisibility by 3. Let us start with a simple example. Say 15. Is 15 divisible by 3? Yes, we know that it does. But let us discuss it the way that we have done earlier. What we did earlier was we split it up into 10 and then the unit. That was very well for the earlier case because 10 was divisible by 2. But in our case, we want to find out whether it is divisible by 3 and 10 is not divisible by 3. So we have a problem here. Remember what we did earlier? The idea is you break up a number into 2 parts. One part is divisible by the 2 in the previous case, and then we look at the other part. So we can do the same here. So we can again split up into 2 parts. One part is divisible by 3. Can you think of a number which is divisible by 3? And again, is part of the 10? Yes, you can. That is 9. Can you see that I have split up 10 into 9 plus 1, and 9 is divisible by 3. So to check that 15 is divisible by 3 or not, all I need to do is to check this part. And what is this part? This part is 1 plus 5, which is the sum of the digit of this 2-digit number. So perhaps we have a rule here. What is the rule then? What I do is I add up the 2 digits and see whether the sum is divisible by 3 or not. Let us try another example. Is 465 divisible by 3 or not? Let us break it up again. So 465 is equal to 4 times 100 plus 6 times 10 plus 5. Not divisible by 3, and 100 is not divisible by 3, so we can break it up further and write 100 is equal to 99 plus 1, and 10 is equal to 9 plus 1. Can you see that there is a 99 here, which is divisible by 3, another 9 here, divisible by 3. Plus 6 times 9, plus 4. 4 comes from 4 times 1 here, plus 6. 6 comes from 6 times 1 here, and plus 5. Can you see that, again, I have split up the number into 2 parts. And I can see that this part is divisible by 3. So to check the number divisible by 3 or not, all I need to do is to check this part. And what is this part? This is precisely the sum of the digit of the given number. Yes, it works for the 3-digit number. Now we have the rule for divisibility by 3. What is the rule? The rule says that given a number, you want to check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not, you sum up the digit. If the sum is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. Let us try it out with one example. Is 2511 divisible by 3? So if we go according to the rule, we'll add up all the digits. Which is equal to 9. We know that 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, we conclude, according to the rule, 2511 is also divisible by 3. The same way, we can ask whether 2512 is divisible by 3 or not. We do the same thing. We add up all the digits, and then we find that the answer is 10. 10 is not divisible by 3, and therefore the number 2512 is also not divisible by 3. Yes, the rule works very well.